On Windows 10 or Windows 11, you can use the Windows Package Manager command to uninstall or install the OneDrive syncline application. Although OneDrive comes installed by default on every installation of Windows, sometimes you may need to reinstall the client because it's not working correctly. To install OneDrive on Windows 11, use this step. Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech BD. Today I will discuss how to install OneDrive on Windows 11. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Open Start on Windows 11. Search for CMD. Right click the top result and select the Run as Administrator option. Type the following command to search the app and press enter. Type the following command to install OneDrive on Windows 11 or 10 using the app ID and press enter. Once you complete the step, the Windows Package Manager will download and install the OneDrive app automatically on Windows. Hope you understand. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.